Today, we're taking you behind the scenes at Spotify Camp Nou, where incredible progress is happening day by day. In the Tribuna and Gol Norte sections, new concrete and panel installations are underway, while the corner areas are seeing the rise of the third-tier seating. Over at the Diamond Facade, glass panels and lamella supports are entering their final stages of preparation. Let's explore how the stadium's structure, seating, and facade are all coming together in these exciting updates. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll keep bringing you daily updates and exclusive behind-the-scenes videos. In the main diamond section, crews are refining the lower metal joints between the glass panels. Extra connectors are being cut and measurements checked to ensure precise alignment. No new glass panels have been installed yet. This is a preparation phase before the next glazing step. At the diamond near the official store, work is mostly focused on the lower interior section. The 6 upper glass panels, 3 above each entrance, are still missing. In the corner near Gol Sur, protective safety nets now cover the beams, preparing the area for the installation of prefabricated seating. This is one of the last unfinished parts of the upper ring, and it indicates that third-tier seating could be installed soon. Several lifting platforms are active in Gol Sur, where workers are painting and sealing steel beams while checking supports and brackets. A nearby crane hints that additional structural components may soon be lifted into place. In the lamella support area, multiple platforms operate simultaneously. Crews are tightening anchor points, adjusting brackets, and aligning support cables. Protective treatments and welding continue, although no new lamella panels have been installed in this upper section yet. The elevator and staircase structures in the frontal-lateral section are fully covered with sandwich panels up to the top. Adjacent structures on the right are also receiving additional panels. The section is progressing, but some areas still need completion. Next, sandwich panels will likely extend further toward the Gol Norte side. A concrete pump inside the stadium shows that VIP and cantilever slabs are actively being poured. Reinforced mesh installed earlier has already been concreted, and a concrete mixer truck confirms that the upper slab work continues steadily. Additional lamella elements have been delivered and stored in the lateral area. Previously unseen sandwich panels are now visible and protected on site. This steady arrival of materials suggests preparation for upcoming facade and lamella installation. In the corner, multiple lifting platforms are at work. Workers are installing and adjusting vertical lamella supports. Progress is steady, though lamella installation is advancing at a measured pace. The lower corner slab has been poured, and waterproofing treatments continue in surrounding areas. Some structural sections still need finishing and extra concrete. Material stacks nearby are ready for installation as work progresses upward. In Gol Norte, anchor points have been installed along the lower section and partially along the brackets. This is a key step before lamella support installation extends further across the area. Glass panels are installed across multiple sections, and decorative finishing elements have been added in the central portion. Rock wool insulation is in place, with some trim elements still pending. Elevating platforms remain active for finishing work across several levels. The elevator and staircase structures in Gol Norte are highly advanced. Concrete panels are positioned nearby, ready for installation. Given the structural progress, panel placement is expected to begin soon. Prefabricated seating continues rising steadily in the corner area. The third tier could be largely completed in the coming months, marking a major milestone in the stadium's vertical expansion. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We'll keep bringing you daily behind-the-scenes videos.